In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a domain on Hostinger in just a few minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website or expanding your online presence, this guide will walk you through the steps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. If you're new to Hostinger, it's a popular and easy to use platform that helps you manage your hosting, domains, and website tools all in one place. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click the login button. Enter your account details to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before continuing. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Hostinger dashboard. The layout is clean and straightforward, making it easy to find what you need. On the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Domains. Go ahead and click it to open the domain management area where all your domain settings are organized clearly. Inside the domain section, you'll see your domain portfolio. This is where all your registered domains are stored. If you manage multiple websites, this area helps you keep track of every domain in one convenient place. It also gives you a quick overview of your active services, which can be very helpful as your online projects grow. To add a new domain, look for the option that says Add New Domain, click on it, and Hostinger will show you different options. You can search for a brand new domain if you want to register something completely new, or you can start the process of transferring a domain you already own somewhere else. If you're purchasing a new domain, type the name you want into the search bar. Hostinger will instantly check if it's available. Take your time choosing the right name because your domain is a big part of your online identity. It should be easy to remember, easy to type, and relevant to what your website is all about. A strong and clear domain name can also help visitors trust your site more quickly. Once you find the domain you want, proceed to checkout. Make sure your payment details are ready and take a moment to look for any discounts or special offers Hostinger might be running. They often provide great deals, especially for first-time domain registrations. And that's all it takes. You've now added a domain to your Hostinger account. From here, you can connect it to your hosting plan, build your website, and bring your ideas online with confidence. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you move one step closer to launching your website. Happy building!